Hi, this is Bill from Tutor Bros. Today I want to go over how to use and the main difference between the search and find function in Microsoft Excel. So what both of these functions are doing is we basically say we are looking for a certain text within a cell, and it'll return the numbered position of where it first starts to detect the text that we're looking for in that cell. So just as an example, let's start with the search function and we'll say equals search, open parentheses, and we're looking for a text. So just randomly, I will search the text MC, and then I'll end my parentheses. So it's looking for the text MC, comma, and the next argument that we'll enter is what cell do we want to reference within text, cell A3. And then if I do comma again, the third argument to enter is where is it looking for, or where does it start to look for this text MC? Um, it defaults to the first position, so it'll read the cell from left to right, and it'll start at the letter H. So it'll default there if I enter no argument, which I will do here. And then it'll return a number where it starts to detect the MC string. So if I hit enter, it starts at 7, which makes sense. HARRY space M, that is the 7th position in this cell. So it returns the number 7. Now, let's say I wanted it to start searching after the 7th position, let's say in the 8th position, and then I close parentheses. It returns an error because if it starts looking at the 8th position and then reads from left to right, it will not find the text MC. But if I take that parameter out, it defaults to the first position. Now the main difference between the search and find function is they work very similarly, except the find function is case sensitive. So that means it has to match the case of the text exactly. So if I were to type the same thing, I want to find the text, open parentheses, quote, MC, and quote, comma, within the text, cell A3, and start number, I want to start in the beginning, so I'll just close the parentheses and I hit enter. We actually get an error, and that's because MC, the M is lowercase, but in the text, the M is capital. So if I change this to capital M, it's looking for capital MC, and it's looking for the case to match for the find function. So if I hit enter, it also will return 7. So the M here is capital, but for the search function, it's case insensitive, so it doesn't matter whether it's capital or not capital. So if I change this to capital, it'll also return 7. So that is how you use and the main difference between the search and find function in Microsoft Excel.